All right, everybody, Fontainebleau, after a long time, about 15 years, is almost ready. You can look at these amazing lights. Very, very shiny, very attractive right here. Here is the porte cochere, the valet. It's just set south of the former Wet and Wild site, which we don't know if AllNet is going to be built anytime soon. There's a Sahara, Turnberry. Let's walk through. They're almost done with the traffic lights. Wow, this is going to be beautiful. And I hear they're not going to be nickel and diming as much as the other strip properties. We really need the competition. Really, really amazing. I like the sign. This is just going to open in about 12 days. Please stay tuned live for the grand opening update. Wow, it's just across from the Sky Las Vegas, so imagine you could literally live across and check the exciting new developments of Fontainebleau. We're getting closer to the valet. Look at this. I can see the fitness center, all the design, all the lighting, you name it. See if we can cross through to the property and see what's going on. I love the lighting and everything. I have to say though, some people do like the themed casinos a little better, but it all depends on what you believe in and stuff. So let's see if we can actually cross the street. Let's go in, kind of get a sneak preview of what's going on. This is one of the issues living here. You know, it's not easy to cross certain routes. What do you guys think? You think this is going to be successful? A lot of people who are employees just got hired are commuting out. So we'll have to see how this all plays out. I think we should be okay here. Alright, hopefully we'll be able to give us some room. Nope, not friendly enough. Alrighty. So we're getting close. Okay. We just want to get the exterior view. Alright. Almost done. It's going to be interesting.